Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Angie and I'm here to help you elevate your life. Wait until the end of the video because I have a great surprise for you, so stay tuned and let's get started. Today's topic is very interesting. I am going to be sharing with you how to create the life that you want in 1 year. These are broad tips, but let me tell you that if you sit with yourself. I know it's the new year already and new year resolutions are up. If you sit with yourself and make those targets and look within those items and do the steps that I'm going to tell you, it's going to be an amazing way to take your lifestyle from where you are to the next level. So let's get started. The very first thing, if you are a corporate girly, you are aware of the term of auditing. Auditing is when a company goes through an audit that checks all the transactions that this company has went through and major things. But this time we're going to do a life audit. You're going to sit with yourself and doing your adulting lifestyle audit. And it's crucial to pinpoint where you need to make adjustments and jumpstart your new journey and your new lifestyle. And how we're going to do this, we're going to do it in a very simple way. I'm going to get the help of my beloved iPad mini. I love this thing. I'm always having it with me in my bags and using it. Let me open a blank canvas page. And all I'll have to do is I'm going to draw an axis. These are different lines. And this axis has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to have 8 intersections. And in each one of them, we're going to have a topic. Let's say health, wealth, relationships, beauty. That's what you're going to do. And I want you to make a score for yourself. Let's say on the axis of health, your health is midway. Wealth, you are very low. Body, you are here. So you're going to make points like this all over. And then what I want you to do is, I'm going to select a different color. You're going to connect the dots in order to make for yourself a proper audit. And now you can see the areas in life that needs adjustment and the areas that don't. So this is the first step. You need to do this lifestyle auditing in order to take your life from 0 to hero. And as I said, the 8 areas, draw them on an axis. You don't have to have an iPad for that. Draw an axis on a piece of paper and put the 8 areas of life: health, finances, personal development, career, relationships, self-care, home life, and free time. And once you do this, we will get to the next step of the auditing, which you need to write what could have the biggest impact when you transform it. For example, I know that body-wise, if I focus on my body, I do exercises and I get my health intact, that will immensely transform my life. So every person, this diagram will look different in it. And but it's very important to do this life audit as a start. Next, what I call a mindset shift. In order to transform and change, one of the biggest areas that we need to tackle are mindsets. And how do you do the mindset shift? I want you to think of 2 major events that happened to you last year that were bad. Reflect. I want you to write down and reflect what have you done when these situations hit and what you could have done differently. And try to look from the other person that was involved perspective. Try to look at this with fresh eyes in an analytical manner. And that is the start of the mind shift. Change your perspective on anything negative that happened instead of feeling like a victim. And in that case, just ask yourself how I can be in control. How can I change this? And this is where you tackle the mindset change. So by doing a life audit and changing your mindset and the way you react to certain things that happen in your life, this is the roadmap into transformation and involving the next year into a major transformation. The third thing is creating a vision. Having a vision means you have a clear purpose. This is actually what's trending right now as the ikigai. It's like a Japanese method of finding your life calling. It's amazing. I've read the book actually, and if you've watched the 100 Years Lifespan documentary, this guy that talks about blue zones, very interesting to watch. You will see how this can help you live longer when you create a vision for your life and you know what is your life biggest purpose. Next, we're going to work on ourselves daily. I've talked about this multiple times in my previous couple of videos, but about creating your own routine with time for yourself, with looking into all aspects in life and trying to attach them to your morning and evening routine. And this, as a daily practice, is how you can make that happen. If you watered plants just a little bit every day, it's going to grow and flourish perfectly, and it will not be a big chore to make it grow. Nobody's going to drive something for you, and to achieve your goals, you need to drive yourself every day in order to reach those enhancements. It can be 10 minutes exercising a day, every day, consistently, and that will get you to the health goal, instead of trying to punish yourself if you don't go to the gym once a week and maybe it's not for you. That's what I mean. 5 is design your environment for success. I'm not going to be sick from talking about Atomic Habits. It transformed my life, and I'm trying to implement this in various areas of my life. But once you design your environment to enhance certain habits, it happens. For example, I wanted to drink every day a cup of water with apple cider vinegar because the health benefits of this are immense. And in order to do this, I couldn't do it except when I designed my environment to enable this. So I have next to my bed, and I talked about this before, a glass of water with apple cider vinegar and a cup. And every day, the first thing I do when I open my eyes, the apple cider vinegar water, and I drink it. I wanted to drink chlorophyll water because chlorophyll water helps your body odor, helps you smell better. And in order to do this, I bought the bottle, and I didn't keep it in my house somewhere. No, I put it in front of my desk. I go to work every day and I drink water every day on my desk. And all I do is I put 2 or 3 drops in my water. And that is designing your environment for success. It's very hard to be fashionable on a daily basis. Outfit plan, put your outfits, hang them behind the door where you need to go. Design your environment for the habits you want. So write the habits you want, look at your environment, think how you can enhance the environment in order to fit your lifestyle that you want and make your habit easy to implement. Next, learn new skills and improve upon your existing ones. If you've always wanted to learn something and you've never had time, it's time to get up and book it and find it. I have to tell you that I started wanting to learn horseback riding, and I started at the age of 30. A lot of people would be like, but your body, it could be dangerous. Everyone told me what they wanted, their limiting beliefs. But I knew that I envisioned myself doing this, and I knew that this is a hobby I want to learn. It could be learning a new language. It could be anything. Just look online, communities next to you that offer such classes, and take them. And don't wait. Don't wait. Don't think it out. It will figure itself out. And have dedication. One hobby that you can learn a new skill from sets you apart from everyone else already, sets apart the year that you're gonna have immensely. And actually, it doesn't have to be a crazy hobby that you go on a class to take. I think one of the most important hobbies I believe people must enhance and work on is reading. And reading nowadays became very easy. You can listen to audiobooks, you can listen to summarize, you can download the app Blinkist and check a book in 10 minutes. There are different methods, but what I can definitely recommend is that you start reading. Reading is power, and reading gives you knowledge and skills and teaches you every day. And it's something common between all successful people. They all read, so read. Last but not least, enjoy the process. Film yourself doing these activities, film yourself doing the audit, and look back at it and enjoy it, because years passed, last year passed so fast, and I think it's important to look back and be proud of who we are. And now it's time for my surprise. Remember my transformation inner goddess workshop that is going to be live, that I made last year. It's available again this year, but this year it's more special because I decided to reduce the price of it. So this year it's going to cost $333, and you can pay it on 3 down payments. The one will cost 111. Did you notice the angel numbers? I believe in manifestation and angel numbers, so I think that will bring the project success. But in this workshop, we're going to make all the steps that I shared today with you and more. We're going to define your style. We're going to look at your body type. We're going to look at your color analysis. We're going to make sure to set your environment for success. We're going to make sure what skills can benefit your style. I'm going to be one-on-one in this live workshop with all of you, helping you set the tone of this year. This is my New Year's gift to all of you. Make sure to go and purchase the workshop. It's going to start in February, so be ready and stay tuned, and let's go for it. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you, my beloveds, in my next video. Have a good life, boos. Bye.